everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. Today I want to share with you real quick my August design team package. I'm absolutely loving it and I think you will too. And I've got a but wait, there's more moment for you, so stay tuned after I show you this because I've got another paper collection to show you. It's just gorgeous and it's new from Country Craft Creations. So let's get started. I'll show you what I'm going to get to work with in August. I'm so excited. So to start off with, let's talk about our ribbons. So in my design team package, I received 2 yards each of these ribbons and fibers, and I'll go through them. I have the links down below so you can go check them out. Adorable, adorable. So I've got the black jute. I received again 2 yards of each of these. So I've got the black jute twine, which is really fun to play with. I have the 1.5 inch pink and white stripes grosgrain ribbon, which is adorable. Look at this. This is just so pretty, and it's going to match these colors so perfectly. This is a bright, cheery, beautiful collection. I just love it. I received the royal blue seam binding, and then I also received the 5/8 inch fuchsia and white dots grosgrain ribbon. So it's beautiful. I think this is all going to match perfectly. I think this is going to be great. Part of the collection is Bella Pops, and I got 2 packages of these. So one is called Desk Notes. That's this one. And then here is Hello Beautiful. Okay. Just gorgeous. And they are, this one has like little enamel dots in it and the flowers. And then this one has, you know, like a little binder clip and a pencil and a pencil sharpener and all that stuff. So it's just perfect. I also received 2 each of all of the papers. So let's go through the papers real quick. Again, documented by Blvd, and this is just so cute. This one's called Borders, and we have all of these different border pieces that I could use on my pages. These are great for doing borders on pages, you know, putting on pockets, those kinds of things. Just think that's really pretty. The other side is this gorgeous floral. All right. So then we have this really pretty daisy print here on the green. I like that background. That's really pretty. The back of that's really cute too. It's called All the Things. It has typewriters and banners and pencils and all kinds of fun stuff. This is a really cute collection. I like, right off the bat, I'm thinking back to school, right? Because it has all those kind of desk, you know, paper related things. I like that. This is the grid paper here. This one, what is it called? This one is called Clips. It has all the binder clips on here. Isn't that fun? You guys, so I'm already thinking I could fussy cut these out and put them on pieces of paper, make them look like little clipboards. That would be fun. I'm getting ideas as I'm looking at this. Isn't that funny? Little washi tape pieces. So cute. Here's a blue pattern here with flowers. And then on the other side of this one's called, I guess I'm showing it to you backwards. I'm showing you the opposite side first, but this is called Currently Loving. Isn't that pretty? The pretty flower background and everything. I love that. Here we've got, this one's called Routine with the scallop borders. That's really nice. And then on this side, we have a nice rainbow print here. Here we've got a bunch of binder clips. This one's called Organized. So cute. I like this. This is going to be fun. And then this cute black and white polka dot paper. That's nice. Now this one here is called Snippets. I like this one because you could use this as a background, but you could also take and cut some of these out and use them on your pages. So I've got some ideas already brewing for that. And there's all kinds of different little sayings. Today's events, morning, hello, adventure, memories together. This one here says Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Just really, really fun. So you can do a lot with this too. I like that. And then on the back of this, pink hearts. Isn't that pretty? I love this paper. It's so bright and happy. This one's called Be Happy. So there you go. Floral pattern, all bright and cheery. And the back of this is pink polka dots. Cameras, got to have our cameras. Love that. Little hearts in some of the cameras. It's called Captured. And on the back of this is another grid. That's really pretty. See, we had got another rainbow pattern here. And on the back of the rainbow pattern, we've got black and white polka dots here. liking the polka dots. I am liking the polka dots. This one here is called Real Life. It has these beautiful hexagon pattern here. And then we have yellow polka dots. So this is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Now, we also have two sheets. I got 2 sheets of each of these. This here is the daily details. So we've got our cut aparts. We've got 3x4s. We've got some tags. I like this cute little calendar here. That's fun. Currently, I love that. This is really adorable. So we have that. We have 2 sheets of that, and then on the back of that is paper clips. So what I'm going to do, I'll tell you right now, is I'm going to keep one of these off to the side for sure and use that as the cut aparts. And then I can use the other one for the back side of the paper. So I'm going to do that. Then I got the sticker sheet, the 12x12 sticker sheet that goes with this. And this one's called Doohickey. That's the name of the sticker sheet. So we've got some border stickers. We've got some letter stickers, which is nice. So I can add my own words to the pages and all that. We've got some banners, real pretty stickers. So this will be fun to use to decorate as well. Now, I also did get the Craft Perfect mirror card in Silky Sky. And I think that is going to absolutely look gorgeous with this paper. I think the colors will work perfect, don't you? I think they're going to be great. So these are fun. I love working with these stock cards from Tonic. I've used several of them, and I just love them. They're so pretty. So they're 8.5 by 11. There's 5 per pack. So really good value. And then I also received the cardstock to go with it. So coordinating solids. So this one here, this one is my colors in Grasshopper. And then we have this beautiful yellow, and this one is called, wait for it, Banana Pepper. I like that. That's really pretty. We have, this one is Atlantic Shore. And then we've got this one here that is called French Rose. And this one has a texture to it. It has the polka dot texture. So that'll look really good in the pack. And then I also received 2 sheets of heavyweight chipboard so that I could play with that too. So I got quite a bit. So I got 2 each of all of the solids. Okay. So again, those colors in no particular order are Atlantic Shore, French Rose, Banana Pepper, and Grasshopper. And again, all of this will be down in the description box below, and I will have links to everything. I received the mirror card. I received the sticker sheet. And then I received 2 each of all of the papers in this collection. So let's see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12 different papers. So I received 24 pattern papers in all, okay? 24 pattern papers in all. And then I received all of these beautiful ribbons and seam binding and twine to go with this, as well as the 2 Bella Pops. So I'm super excited about this. So this is my August Design Team package for Country Craft Creations. And then there's the, but wait, there's more. But wait, there's more, you guys. Hold on just a second. You guys are gonna love this. All right, for those of you who have been following Country Craft Creations, you've already seen this, but this is brand new and we just got it in and it is adorable. So we have unveiled our Cowgirl Way paper collection and our Country Vow card collection, card fronts. But we also have Lil Cowgirl and Lil Cowboy papers as well. And you guys, you got to see this. It is absolutely adorable. So this is the 8x8 collection. And I just want to show you what you're going to get. So there are 2 sheets of the ephemera, and if you have like a Brother Scan and Cut or something, you can use that, but I fussy cut mine out by hand, and it's really easy to do all of these cute little ephemera pieces that you can add to your pages. Look at how cute that is with the little bears and the dress and everything. So it's cowgirl themed. Got some pink going on in here, some little cow prints back here. It's just adorable. I really have enjoyed using the Cowgirl Way papers, and this is just absolutely so stinking cute. I can't stand it. Here is a cut apart page, so you get 2 each of those. These are little cut apart cards. So you have the two sizes, then the little border. Look at the border with the passies and the bottles. OMG, you guys, so cute. So cute. On the back of that is a plaid, and I didn't show you. On the back of the ephemera pieces is another blue plaid. So isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. So then you get each of the papers, you get 3 of each of the designs. So this one here with the cow print on the back, and then all the little pink cowboy boots and hats and everything. So cute. On the back of that, the rope. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. And then you have this page here. Super duper adorable with the teddy bears and their little pink outfits and their little pink, you see the rose in their hat. So cute. Back of that is little pink horseshoes. And then we have this page with the denim. Isn't this, you guys, this is really a very, very unique paper collection. I just think it's gorgeous. This is going to work really well for a very pretty album for baby, right? So I'm going to work on something with this as well. All the little, oh, just so cute. Little pink plaid back there. Look at that. Is that not really pretty or what? The cactus and everything. Oh, you guys, I love this. I have seen this when Tamara showed it, but I haven't seen it up close until just now. I just opened it for you. So I'm amazed. This is just so pretty. Back of that is cow print. This is so cute. Okay, little horses. Oh my gosh, look at the little ponies. So cute with the hay bales and everything. So pretty. Back of that, the denim paisley. Then we've got this one here with the bandana background. Again, adorable. Like, how can you not love this paper collection? Look at that. So pretty. Little Cowgirl right there. That's the last one in this collection. So that is too cute. Can you imagine having this framed? Just get an 8x8 frame. Picture of baby right here in amongst all of this. I just love that. That is too adorable. The back of that is the pink bandana. All right. So that's what I wanted to show you with that. So I got this in my design team package as well. This is new to Country Craft Creations. We have Lil Cowgirl, Lil Cowboy. If you haven't seen the other collections with the Cowboy Way and the Country Vow card fronts, you've got to check it out. I have used those packages, and I'll go ahead and link those videos so you can see those. And then I will be back soon with some projects using these paper collections. So I am super excited. Again, check out the links and everything down below. I will have all that listed down there for you. Go get your collections. Go get your collections. I'll be back soon, and I will show you some great projects, okay? Stay crafty. Take care. Have a great weekend, and I will be back very, very soon. All right? Bye-bye.